Several areas in Mathura were inundated yet again owing to the showers that continued for the past few days. The continuous flooding has affected daily lives of the people and vehicular movement. The Mathura-Malimbada-Kadduwa road have been inundated from several areas. The Malimbada-Vallathota road has been inundated from the Vallathota and Polvattaguda areas. Several houses in Katuvanthota Mathura are still inundated. Sluice gates of the Hambanthota Muruthavala reservoir was opened yesterday. Water is being released from the sluice gates to the Urubukka Oya. Due to the prevailing weather situation, the Ohiya-Ambevela-Pattipula road in Badula was subject to a landslide on the 18th of October. As of now, the area is completely washed away. According to our correspondent, vehicular movement has been completely halted. One house was damaged following the landslide in the Tihagoda-Vallathota Dummalahena mountain in Mathura. Residents of 3 houses in the area has been evacuated owing to the risk of further landslides.